What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If your Windows computer feels slow, freezes randomly or takes forever to open apps, there's a good chance that your disk is stuck at 100% usage. And when that happens, everything slows down and your PC isn't broken, it's just overloaded. This tricky part is that the high disk usage can come from several different causes. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple checklist professionals use to diagnose it. We'll start with the fastest fixes and move step by step toward deeper solution. Just follow along with me. First, we need to see what's actually stressing your drive by finding what's using the disk. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the disk column to sort by usage and the program at the top of your main suspect. If you see nothing obvious like a browser, game launcher or updater, close it and see if disk usage drops. If it's a Windows service instead, don't worry, we'll fix that next. One of the biggest causes of the 100% disk usage is a Windows service called SysMain or Superfetch, and we're going to disable it. It tries to predict what happens to apps if you open it, but on some systems it overloads the drive. So press Windows key plus R. Type services.msc in the search bar, then press Enter. Find SysMain in the list. Double-click it, then click Stop. Then all you have to do is change startup type to disabled. When you're done, press Apply, then OK. Watch Task Manager for a minute and see if disk usage improves. If disk usage is still high, Windows search indexing might be the culprit, so we're gonna pause the service. All you have to do is again press Windows key plus R. Type in the search bar services.msc. Find Windows Search, then double-click it. Click Stop and then set startup type to manual or disabled. This reduces constant background indexing and helps free up disk usage. Now, let's move on to the fourth fix, which is checking for update on Windows loops. Sometimes Windows Update gets stuck in the background. And that, of course, would greatly help in overloading your disk usage. So all you have to do is open your settings by pressing on the Windows menu, then go into Settings. Click on Windows Update on the bottom left corner, then install anything pending. If you see any updates is loading, just install it. Now, after you do that, restart your computer and a stock update process can hammer the disk nonstop. So all you have to do is follow these steps so you can end Windows Update loops. And finally, of course, the fifth fix, which is getting rid of malwares, because malwares can silently cause heavy disk activity, so we're gonna scan for them. So all you have to do is to open Windows Security from the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Go to Virus Threat Protection and run a full scan. Let it finish completely, it's gonna take a minute, and if anything suspicious is found, remove it and restart your computer, then check your disk usage. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a bonus tip, which is disabling startup apps, because too many startup programs can overwhelm your drive. All you have to do is open Task Manager again. Go to the Startup tab, then disable apps you don't need launching automatically. You can do anything, just keep the Windows services off the list. Restart your PC after making changes and check for the disk usage. Now, if one of these steps solved your issue, comment which one worked It will help other people troubleshoot faster. And if you want more practical Windows fixes like this, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.